Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Vanguard website. First, navigate to Vanguard. Calm and locate the Login button. Enter your username and password carefully to access your account. Once logged in, you'll see your personalized dashboard, which provides an overview of your investments. You can quickly find your total account value and recent activity here. To manage your investments, click on the My Accounts tab. Here, you can initiate trades to buy or sell funds and ETFs. Consider setting up automatic investments to contribute regularly, perhaps $100 each month. You can also monitor your portfolio's performance and ensure your asset allocation aligns with your financial goals. For account services, navigate to the Client Services section. You can download essential documents, including your monthly statements and tax forms like Form 1099. It's also where you can update your contact information or change communication settings. If you need assistance, explore the comprehensive FAQ section or contact support directly. Vanguard offers powerful tools to help you plan for the future. Use the Retirement Planner to project your savings or research specific funds and ETFs to diversify your portfolio. The website also provides a wealth of educational articles and videos to deepen your investment understanding. These resources can help you make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.